morning, welcome back to another vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Stella Sylvester. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and if this is not your first time, thank you so much for sticking with me and welcome back again. Anyway, today is Tuesday and I'm about to run errands this morning as usual. Go to the market, get some stuff. I have clothes I have to take to the tailor. I have a lot of stuff to do because this Sunday is going to be quite eventful. It's my grandma's birthday on Sunday and I'm super excited. So I want to take what we're going to be wearing to the tailor to fix. What else again am I supposed to do this week? I don't know. I can't even remember, but yeah, I have a couple of stuff to do. So I have to also stop at the market and get soup stuff. I'm craving afang soup, even if I had it just this past weekend, but I still need to have it again. Then yeah, basically that is it. Then I'll catch up with you guys, but I just want to check up with you guys. And yeah, I have a video to edit. Remember I told you guys that I've started this film and edit. So yesterday I filmed a vlog, just a short shopping haul vlog, which I'm sure should be up already before this one. Guys, I don't understand my camera. Like, you guys see, like, what is going on? I don't know. I need to check the settings and I don't just know what's up with my camera. It's just giving me one awkward vibe. I'm beginning to feel like my phone self is even better now in terms of the color I'm getting from my camera. But with all that being said, just here checking up on you guys, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. But first of all, I think I have to edit this video before going, because if I keep procrastinating saying I'll come back and edit, I might end up not editing this video today. So let me edit it since it's very short and fresh. I need to put it up for you guys maybe today or tomorrow. Then yeah. Oh, lest I forget, if you have not subscribed, guys, now I know this camera has a problem. What do you mean? Like, this cannot be my color. This cloth I'm wearing is yellow, but it's looking gray. I'll be ash. I'll be white. Are you seeing? This cloth I'm wearing is yellow, but it's not giving me that yellow color. I'll catch up with you guys. Let me work on it and get back to you guys. What I wanted to say is, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Click the thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe. Also click the bell notification beside that subscribe button, because that is how you get notified when I upload the video, as I'm going to be uploading videos very often from now henceforth. Okay, so let me check the setting. I'll come back and tell you guys what was wrong, okay, because I'm not just feeling this setting, it's not working. So anyway guys, for some reason you can see that it's better. But funny enough is I did not touch anything. You can see the yellow is now giving me what I'm supposed to be getting, but I did not touch anything. I think it just changes with the lighting. I don't know. But yeah, it's looking better now, right? But trust me, I did not change anything. I went in and I checked all my settings and they are still the same thing. So I guess it had to do with the lighting or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. You're simply wonderful. All that we've got may not be forever. Could it be forever? me show you guys. Oh my god, one of my faves. Bole and fish and plantain and yam. I want to wash my hands. Good food is good. Let me wash my hands properly. You guys know I'm coming from the market, right? And my hands are very dirty, so I need to wash it very well. And see, this water has ice in it. Oh my god. Premium enjoyment. Please come join me. I feel so bad whenever I'm eating. I'm always showing you guys, but you guys can't eat with me. I feel so bad. First of all, let me take cheap fish. Fish is so hot and sweet. I'll just pack here and eat, and when I'm done eating, we can head home and continue. But it's so hot. The best time to get bole and fish very fresh is around this time, 2:32. Once you come around 4, it's already cold. You're eating leftovers, but from 1 to you get the best. And I like my plantain. If I'm eating ripe plantain, I want it to be very ripe and soft. But if I'm eating unripe, let it be very unripe. I don't want it sweet. So I got plantain, I got yam. I really like yam, roasted yam. Let me finish it and I'll get back to you guys, okay? Hey guys, so I got home. I was so tired, and because I ate bole, I was tired. In fact, so I forgot to show you guys things I got. So let me do a quick haul and just show you guys, even if it's dark here. I think each is 100 naira, 100 naira. So I got 3. I got some dried fish, those big fish, the one they already cut, and this is okazi here. So this is okazi. I got some bomon, I got some okoro, I got this as well, periwinkle. I also got meat, which is cooking, cow tail to be precise. So I didn't really get a lot, but I got what was enough for me to cook my afang soup, which I love so much. Recently, I've been making afang soup a lot, and that's because I've been craving it. But other than that, I'll catch up with you guys. I'm just working on the water leaf, as you can see over there. I'll just finish working on that, then maybe talk to you guys when I'm done cooking. Oh, that pepper is hot. This is that pepper. Guys, pepper now is expensive. I think there's no 100 naira pepper, and the one I got is actually a very good one because it's even making me sneeze, and it's just 6 for 200 naira, but it's really good. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to add here. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me finish with my water leaf.
Music station.
Nothing like your smile in the morning.
Hey guys, good
on your cheek.
It's around 11:02 a.m. here in Port Harcourt, and it's a wet morning. It's raining seriously, like it's been raining since yesterday, and doesn't look like it's going to stop. So I can't just sit at home. I have to go get things done. Okay, so I'm actually heading out to do something, and after that, I hopefully, if I finish what I'm going for on time, I want to stop at the bank and get some things rolling, and I'll tell you guys if what I'm going for is a success in the bank, because I've just been so patient with these people. I'll give you guys the whole gist later. Fingers crossed that they're able to settle me without me bringing them out here on YouTube to talk about, because sometimes you need to put some people in their place. I'll gist you guys everything about it later, okay? So but for now, once I'm done, I'll come back and talk to you guys. So I promised to come back here and tell you guys the update, right? So currently I'm at the office. It's actually First Bank, and it seems, I don't know the rationale behind them making this their insurance, FBN insurance office different from their main bank. I don't know what their aim is or what their plan is, but I went to the bank, the one and the headquarters, the one at my one, and I told the guy that this is what happened. I opened an account here so years ago. I have a policy. I would like to get my money and everything out. It's 5 years already. So the guy directed me to their other branch and said, the guy directed me that, oh, is it like an insurance? Yes. Oh, this is not where you're going to get that. Go to the office close to Craft Center or opposite Craft Center, something like that. So I came here and I saw it. Actually, I've been here 2 years ago. Or 3 years ago actually, to take my money, and they told me you can't take it. This policy is a 5 years policy. The money it has to get to 5 years for you to access your money. So now this one now I came, it's 5 years. Give me my money. Guess what they said? You can't access this money. It's no longer yours. You can't take it. We can't give you this money. Why? Because you didn't pay up to a year. I was like, what do you mean I didn't pay up to a year? Thank God I stopped paying when I stopped paying. Because what happened was I had an account with First Bank, so it was quite easy for me to pay. They were just deducting a certain amount from my account every day into this policy. It's actually like for kids, you know, when you're doing a insurance for kids. So I did for my son and my daughter because I had just 2 kids then. Now I came, okay, I want the policy. Something just told me stop. I don't know why I stopped. So now I went back to them and I said, and I don't even use my First Bank account anymore because that account got when I came back, I stopped using it. So now I went back and I told them that I need my money, and I said, we're sorry, we cannot give you that money. You can no longer access that money. Why can't I access the money? Because you did not pay up to 1 year. Even if you had paid up to 10 months, we won't still give you your money because you didn't pay up to 1 year. So we're sorry, it's not yours anymore. You can't access that money. Guys, they told me point blank and plain, it's 5 years, yes, it's matured now for you to access it, but you cannot access it because you paid only for 6 months or 7 months. It's not up to 12 months. So everything is gone. So I just want to believe that maybe you know, sometimes when you get all these bank marketers, they meet you and they're just willing to tell you anything. They just tell you the good parts of the policy, and it's my fault. I didn't go through the policy. I didn't read it. And maybe even if, who knows if actually that kind of term is inside that policy. But you guys should just be careful out there. Let me just take this as my fault. But if you're getting a policy, especially all this insurance or bank stuff, they're just looking for how to take your money. Any loophole, they'll take your money. So now I've lost my money, so that one is out of it. Thank God I wasn't even hoping on using that money for anything important, else I would have been so disappointed. But I'm not, because I expected it. If you guys knew how I started this video, when I said I was going to come back and tell you the outcome, it's just like I expected something like this was going to happen. So let me go see if I can make my hair. I want to make my hair. If I can make my hair, since I'm around this area where I would like to make it, I would like to make it at the Unique Braids. So if I can make it today, better. If I can't, then I'll just go home, call it a day. Oh, I need to get bread for Market Square.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love with you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys? Did I just say good morning? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Today's Thursday. I'm about to go get this hair fixed. So I want to make my, not fixed, like I want to braid my hair. Basically, that's what I mean by getting my hair fixed. Not like I'm fixing my hair. So I want to wash it, braid it. You guys will see what I make after, or if I'm able to vlog, I'll definitely vlog and show you guys like the process and everything. But I have to wash it, then let them make my hair. Then yeah, I would like to end this vlog after this because I think it's getting too long. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys everything. I'll talk to you guys when I come back. Okay, I don't even know the day you guys are seeing this hair, but I actually did not make my hair yesterday again because what I wanted to use to make this hair, I couldn't get it at the place where I was supposed to make the hair. So you guys look at my hair, see how long it is. It's actually called Goddess Locks. I saw this hair and I wanted it, like I've always wanted to do this hair, but it's like you crochet the usual locks, then you use either spring twist or what I actually use. I didn't use spring twist because I didn't want it to be too coily. I used kinky. Yes, there's this wavy kinky I use to wrap it. So that was how I was able to get this Goddess Locks look. This was the hair I actually wanted. Guys, this is why I don't like to braid. The pain I am going through, it's, you cannot even explain it. I can't even be able to pack the hair now until maybe tomorrow. Not even tomorrow. I think I'll start packing it from next week. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick. I just came back. It's late, around 9 p.m. and this is when they are done with this hair. This hair is a lot of process. I'm actually feeling for the girls that made the hair now because it's a lot of work. I didn't know it has so much work like this, else I promise you I wouldn't have done it. But anyways, I don't regret it. I wanted something that would last for a long time, maybe 2 months or 3 months, and this definitely would do that for me. But yeah, that is it for today. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow, or maybe I'll just end the vlog here. Guys, if you've watched this vlog up to this extent, in case I don't film tomorrow, please do it to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow or in my next vlog. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate. I'm so much in pain. I'm getting paracetamol now to drink so I can pack this hair. Bye.